Before restaurants became global industries. Before cooking became entertainment. Before celebrity chefs became cultural icons. There were kitchens, hot kitchens, demanding kitchens, unforgiving kitchens, places where mistakes carried consequences. And within those environments, a unique uniform emerged. The chef shirt. Simple, clean, functional, yet deeply symbolic. Today it is recognized across the world. A visual marker of professionalism, discipline, skill, authority. But the chef shirt was never created for fashion. It was created for survival. Because professional kitchens have always been extreme environments. Heat, steam, open flames, boiling liquids, sharp blades, constant movement. A chef's clothing had to protect the body while allowing freedom of motion. The solution evolved over centuries. Long before modern restaurants existed, cooks wore practical garments suited to physically demanding work. These early uniforms varied across regions, but they shared common goals: protection, comfort, durability. As European culinary traditions became increasingly organized during the 18th and 19th centuries, professional kitchens adopted more standardized attire. The rise of formal restaurant culture created a new kind of culinary professional. Cooking was no longer simply household labor. It became a respected craft. And respected professions often develop uniforms. Uniforms communicate expertise, responsibility, authority. The chef shirt became part of that transformation. One of its most recognizable features is its color. White, bright white. At first glance, white appears impractical for kitchen work. Spills are obvious, stains are visible, marks cannot hide. But that is precisely the point. White communicates cleanliness. Any contamination becomes immediately noticeable. In professional food preparation, hygiene is essential. The white chef shirt creates accountability. Nothing remains hidden. The color itself became a symbol of culinary standards, a visible commitment to cleanliness and precision. But white serves another purpose. Professional kitchens generate tremendous heat. Light-colored fabrics reflect more heat than darker materials. This helps chefs remain more comfortable during long hours near ovens, grills, and stoves. Function influenced appearance. Science shaped tradition. The design of the chef shirt also reflects practical thinking. Traditional chef garments often feature double-breasted fronts. This provides additional insulation from heat. Extra layers create protection against hot liquids and steam. The overlapping fabric can also be reversed if one side becomes stained during service. A simple design solution, but an effective one. Long sleeves offer further protection. They shield the arms from splashes, burns, and accidental contact with hot surfaces. Every element serves a purpose. Nothing exists purely for decoration. Professional kitchen attire is the product of countless lessons learned through experience. Over time, the chef shirt became associated with culinary mastery. As restaurant culture expanded, the uniform gained symbolic importance. The public began associating the white chef shirt with expertise, knowledge, craftsmanship, dedication. The garment evolved into a visual promise. Customers rarely enter a kitchen. They cannot directly observe every process. But the uniform communicates standards. It signals professionalism before a single meal is served. Psychologically, uniforms influence behavior. Research suggests that people often adjust their actions according to the clothing they wear. Uniforms encourage consistency, responsibility, role awareness. The chef shirt becomes more than fabric. It becomes a reminder of expectations, a reminder of discipline, a reminder of standards. Inside professional kitchens, hierarchy also plays a role. Different positions may wear slightly different uniforms. Executive chefs, sous chefs, pastry chefs, line cooks. The uniform helps organize complex environments where coordination is essential. Visual clarity improves efficiency. Everyone understands their role. Everyone understands their responsibilities. As culinary culture expanded globally, the chef shirt traveled with it. French culinary traditions influenced kitchens across Europe, the Americas, Asia, and beyond. The uniform became internationally recognizable. Despite cultural differences in cuisine, the chef shirt remained remarkably consistent. Its design had already solved many practical problems. There was little need for dramatic change. Yet modern kitchens continue to adapt the garment. Contemporary chef shirts may use lighter materials, improved ventilation, moisture management fabrics, stretch panels for mobility. Advanced textiles increase comfort without sacrificing professionalism. Technology improves the experience, but the core identity remains. Even today, when fashion changes rapidly and trends come and go, the chef shirt remains largely unchanged. That stability reflects its purpose. It was never designed to attract attention. It was designed to perform. And performance often ages better than style. The garment's endurance reveals something deeper about human culture. Some objects survive because they are beautiful. Others survive because they are useful. The chef shirt survives because it became both. Function created form, form created symbolism, symbolism created tradition, and tradition created longevity, because beneath every restaurant, every menu, every recipe, and every culinary innovation, there remains a commitment to craft, to precision, to discipline, to excellence. The chef shirt represents those values, not through words, but through presence, a simple white uniform standing inside one of the most demanding environments humans have created. Always adapting, always working, always enduring, because true professionalism rarely needs decoration. It reveals itself through consistency, and the chef shirt has been communicating that message for generations.